Good morning. I am Nikhil Prajapati from 6IC. Today I am going to talk about that recruiters must post their job vacancy on government run website and not on the another media resources. I have divided this topic into three subtopics, namely drawback of a media resources, online scams and benefits of a government run website. Starting with the drawback of a media resources. The major drawback of a media resources is that the limited scope of the applicant. Suppose if one person is a recruiter and gave an advertisement into the online news handle or on another websites, then it may possible that the very few people who are familiar to those website and handle can access over it. And another phase of this is that the recruiter may get a many applications from candidates who are eligible but are not well suitable for that job role. The disadvantage is that one could easily get the wrong picture of applicant. The recruiter teams may get the wrong picture from someone's social media presence. Internet allows an individual to carve an online persona that is nothing like himself. So it is possible that someone can make a fake profile. Sometimes it is possible that recruiter may get influenced by the attracting profile of some applicants and may lose the right person. All website owners have a threat of being hacked. It is possible that one smart people can hack your website by sitting in the cafe and get all the important data of your company and the person who are applying for that job. It may misuse this data by mailing the applicant on behalf of the company and asking for that personal bank account to transfer an amount of money, or they may also ask them to deposit a certain amount of money into their personal account to secure that job in that company. Come to the second topic, online scams. Nowadays, online scams are increasing a day by a day. They provide a fake job offer on a social media, and using the latest IT technologies, they collect the data and see the personal interest of a worker. And when someone enrolled to that offer, then they ask for the bank account number or the Aadhaar card number to cheat that fellow. Nowadays, most of the offers seems like it is from the legitimate employer. Through they use the well-known company names like Google, Apple, Reliance, etc. But the job offers are not from that company. They use these attractive names to attract the large number of applicants. Nowadays, it is hard to spot a fake website. The websites look extremely good, but it is only on the website, not in real. The name of the company may be real, but it may doesn't exist in real. Now, I will come to the third topic, the benefits of a government-run website. We can trust government websites. The government provides a very authentic and relevant information about the job vacancies. While uploading the data, we can trust on the government websites. As the many job seekers are regularly visiting the government website, then they will never miss the right opportunity. This thing can help the recruiters to find a good candidate for that job role. And they can trust the personal information provided by the candidate, as no one wants to live a wonderful life in a jail by providing a wrong information on a government run website. If the person is find that he is provided a wrong information about himself or herself, then it's gone under a serious issue. So it is always benefits for the recruiters to provide a job vacancies on the government run website. My personal opinion is that all companies should give the job vacancy on a government run website. Then Indian government will have a proper record of the employment over the year, and this may help to know the government that which candidate in the which company and how much package is paid to them. This may help to the government by ensuring that the person who got the job and he or she is paying the tax or not. This may be a very small thing, but may provide a good transparency. I hope that we will make India a superpower. I hope for the good health of you all. Thank you.